Hey, this is the review of this. It's a foam cannon for this here pressure washer. It's by Simpson. We got it on Amazon, and we also got this. It's called TriNova. I think it costs like $20 or $25. I'll put a link in the description below. And what you do is you take your nozzle off right here. Put that nozzle there. And you just hook it on easily to here. Pull that back. It's supposed to just go in like that. Smooth. Oh no. Try it again. There it is. Now it's on that time. Okay. So we're gonna just like blast this car. Alright, we're back. So it's not that dirty, but we're gonna wash it anyway. And
our beautiful car.
Yes.
Can I wash it too?
Yes, we're all gonna wash it. So I'm gonna go start the pressure washer and I'll be back. Also I forgot to mention that we filled it up to about right here where this V is with soap and the rest with water. They say you're supposed to use a special soap that does for foam cannons is what this is, a foam cannon, but we just used regular turtle wax.
Let me see.
It's turtle wax, quick and easy. It doesn't even say anything about foam cannon, but we're gonna try it anyway.
No, let me.
You might want to close your ears. It's kind of loud.
Alright, we did the whole car, and Mendel got wet too. Look at Mendel's shoes.
We might have done a little bit too much soap, as you can see the residue on
the proper soap or whatever, but as long as you got a lot of soap.
Look at the trash cans.
Yeah, everything got blasted. So we're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. They say you're supposed to let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, but we're gonna do 5 minutes.
And see how it goes from there.
Yeah, that's it.
Because 5 minutes.
But she's totally soaked. A lot of soap. You got soap.
Big Bessie over here is gonna be good.
Yeah.
And as you can see, Mendel here is all ready.
Mendel's back with a raincoat, rain jacket,
and boots.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, it's just that it's not dry.
It's not dry. We're gonna get the leaf blower and dry it off, but what do we think? What do we think?
It's really good.
It's good.
Let us know what you guys think in the comments, because we need to know your opinions.
Okay.
Oh no,
Thanks.
Daddy.